If you're like me, your YouTube feed is filled with people planting their gardens. But we're not like those people. We live in zone 4. So don't you dare plant your tomatoes outside, because Mother Nature still has a few tricks up her sleeve. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Sharon, all my flowers are up. But no, don't do it. These guys were bred for the cold weather. Your tomatoes and peppers aren't. You see this? This is frost damage on my potatoes. We had a cold night sneak in here this week, and I was caught unprepared. There's plenty of other things still yet to do in the garden besides putting your tomatoes out. Plant your lettuces. They love the cold weather. Your broccoli and cauliflower can go out. They love the cold weather. Check on your winter sowing and make sure that they have enough water. There should be condensation on the jug. This one doesn't have it. Strawberries are blooming. Maybe it's time to give them a little bit of fertilizer. How about those infrastructure upgrades you've been meaning to do? It's time for me to put my posts in for my tomato trellis system. And there's always weeding. Much better. And those plants that are waiting to go outside, they always need watering. You can also start off hardening off the plants that have been growing indoors. Just put them outside for a couple hours every day and slowly increase the time they're outside until you get to a safe planting time. In all seriousness, I know I'm joking around here, but really resist the urge to plant stuff outside because it's going to freeze. I mean, I've looked at the 10-day forecast and there's at least 3-4 days that are close to freezing. And by the time you get out of the city, the chances of you having freezing temperatures or frost are real. So don't let those zone 6 gardeners tempt you. You live in zone 4 and your time will come, and believe it or not, all your plants will catch up to theirs. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sunshine. Happy gardening.